bullet train project for many years. Finally, this long-awaited wait is turning into reality. It is slowly turning into reality. Right now, I am standing at the crucial site of the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project. This is country's first bullet train project. I am standing at Mumbai's Vikhroli shaft. So as you can see behind me, the tunnel boring machine is being assembled. The lowering and assembly of the TBM has commenced with the construction of 16-kilometer long tunnel through the TBM between BKC and Savli near Ghansoli for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project. The total 21-kilometer long tunnel is being constructed for the project between BKC and Chilfata in Maharashtra. The tunnel also features India's first 7-kilometer long undersea tunnel beneath the Thane Creek. So out of this 21 kilometers, 5-kilometer tunnel is already completed and the remaining 16-kilometer through tunnel boring machine is being constructed over here. So right now I am standing 20 floors below the ground level. So it's a very significant progress in this whole Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project spanning across 508 kilometers covering Maharashtra, Gujarat and parts of Dadra and Nagar Haveli. It's a very important and ambitious project. These visuals you are seeing exclusively on Free Press Journal. The assembly of the TBM has started and the drilling work will start from July onwards. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of progress going on. The progress is going on in full swing. India's bullet train project is now going underground, quite literally. In Mumbai, massive machines are being lowered. 2 TBMs have been received and the tunneling operations will commence following comprehensive testing and commissioning. To lower the TBMs, 3 shafts have been constructed. One at BKC, shaft 2 in Vikhroli and shaft 3 in Savli near Ghansoli. So TBM 1 will start from shaft 2 at Vikhroli and will move towards shaft 1 of the Mumbai bullet train station at BKC, while the TBM 2 will start from shaft 3 at Savli and move towards Vikhroli. The 2 TBMs weighing around 3080 tons and 3184 tons respectively are most advanced tunneling machines deployed in the country. These advanced TBMs, based on mixed shield slurry technology, are specifically designed to operate in the complex geological conditions. Each TBM measures around 95.32 meters in total length and comprises several critical components including the cutter wheel, main bearing, jaw crusher, erector, main shield, tail shield and 4 specialized gantries that support tunneling operations. If we talk about the significance of this whole Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project, then it's a game changer. It will significantly reduce the travel time from 7 hours to just 2 hours. So there are total 12 stations, 4 in Maharashtra and 8 in Gujarat. BKC will be the underground station, that's the most important part. And as I told, this will be India's largest rail tunnel. So the frequency, that is what is being told by the official of the trains, of the bullet trains, will be every 15 minutes. This is just the initial stage. From BKC to Chilfata, 21-kilometer tunnel is being planned, and this whole tunnel is being planned through new Austrian tunneling method. It's a very advanced method. Most importantly and interestingly, there's a 7-kilometer long undersea tunnel that will pass beneath the Thane Creek. And the TBM that you're seeing behind me, it will go towards the BKC and it will pass beneath various high rises. This is India's first bullet train project, the Mumbai-Ahmedabad High-Speed Rail Corridor. The National High-Speed Rail Corporation Limited, NHSRCL, is implementing this project. It's a 508-kilometer route connecting Maharashtra and Gujarat. There will be 12 stations on this route, namely Mumbai, Thane, Virar, Boisar, Vapi, Bilimora, Surat, Bharuch, Vadodara, Anand, Ahmedabad and Sabarmati. This project is now picking up momentum, bringing the country close to its first high-speed rail network. It is expected that this project will be completed by 2029. Fares are expected to be reasonable with a focus on middle-class passengers. So now India's bullet train journey is now on the track. For more such updates, keep watching Free Press Journal. Thank you.